Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. Today we are going to learn how to reverse a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and now select the video footage you want to reverse. So we have a video clip here and I'm going to reverse it. Now all we have to do is right click on the video clip in the timeline. Then select Speed. In the speed duration window, check the box that says reverse speed. This will play the video in reverse. Now play the video to see the reversed effect. You can make further adjustments if necessary. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.